In this video, I'm going to show you how to open the hood of the Subaru lineup. This works for Foresters, Outbacks, Imprezas, Legacies. Pretty much the whole lineup is going to work the same way. So please watch this video to see how to open the hood of your vehicle. First thing you're going to do is open up the door, and then you're going to go down to the floorboard here. At the floorboard here, you can see a little pad here where your foot rests. So that's where your left foot would be. You're going to come straight up from there. Depending on the vehicle, on this vehicle, it shows a little car emblem here. Sometimes there's a little tab right here you can pull. Sometimes it's on the side. On this particular vehicle, right behind that hood emblem, you can see right here is the hood release. So I'm going to reach back and pull that. So depending on where yours is at, you're just going to grab the back of it and you're going to pull forward. You'll hear a pop no matter what vehicle it is and wherever it's located. And that's the primary release being released at the front. And you heard that, so now we can go around to the front of the vehicle. Now that we've popped that primary release, we're going to come to the front of the vehicle. As you can see, it's still latched shut. So on all Subaru vehicles, all you're going to do is you're going to find the Subaru emblem, and the latch is actually directly above that. But if you come a little bit to the right side of it, and you put your hand palm down, and then you're going to slide across, and you will feel a little tab there. Slide it to the left, and then lift up. Depending on the vehicle, this one actually has a hydraulic lift. It's a 2018, and that would just slide up. So you can see how that mechanism works. It's right here. That tab's here. We slide it to the left. When that slides to the left, it releases a bar. Allows the hood to be released. When you want to close these vehicles, all you need to do is grab the hood, lift up if it has a bar, and you're going to put that bar back down. This one is hydraulic, so we're just going to grab the hood, pull it down, set it down, feel that primary release, then push with both hands. You'll hear a firm click, and it's closed, and that's how you open and close the hood on the Subaru lineup of vehicles. Hopefully this helps. Please like and subscribe.